Delhi Lieutenant Governor Najib Jang's move to appoint a new anti-corruption bureau chief has turned into a major flashpoint between the Kejriwal government and the centre. Aam Aadmi Party alleges a political conspiracy. AAP and centre are clearly on a collision course once again over this issue.
They may have shared a few cordial words as the cameras clicked away, but from bureaucrats to cops, the battle between the centre and AAP is raging on. And this could be the trigger for the next face-off. JCP M.K. Meena has been appointed as the new ACB chief, and in response to rent-a-cop move of AAP, Delhi police has transferred 7 inspectors to ACB.
While officially Delhi police claim that recent transfers that have taken place in anti-corruption branch is only to strengthen that unit, but sources in the police headquarters have said that this is a direct attempt by the Delhi police to make sure that Kejriwal does not get officers from other states for deputation in anti-corruption branch.
The move clearly irking the Kejriwal government.
That when Lieutenant Governor's name has cropped up and the ACB has reopened the case of CNG fitness case, out of desperation and wanted to save himself from any investigation, Lieutenant Governor has brazenly appointed Mukesh Meena as a new chief of ACB.
Adding to AAP's discomfort is the fact that the man now at the helm is the one who probed the farmer suicide at AAP rally and found AAP at fault. BJP is dismissing the charges.
मुझे लगता है कि अनावश्यक रिएक्शन उनके काम करने का एक एजेंडा है कि जो भी सरकार केंद्र सरकार करे उस पर कुछ ना कुछ उनको रिएक्ट करना है. जहां तक जो केस उनके ऊपर बना था, जो आत्महत्या का मामला था, वो केस विचाराधीन है.
While the control over ACB is fought in the courtrooms, the centre's new move threatens to become the next flashpoint between Kejriwal government and the centre. Bureau Report, Times Now.